Hi, my name is Mallory Dean. I'm a designer advocate at Figma, and today I'm going to walk you through a new feature for Figma Buzz called approvals. Before we get started, you or an admin in your org will need to head into your admin settings and scroll all the way down until you see resources. From here, you can find asset approval, and within here, you'll be able to toggle on approvals in Figma Buzz and have the option to set a required setting for all assets to be reviewed and approved before exporting. As a marketer, I am using these beautiful templates that my designer set up, but I need to make a few slight edits to them. So I'm going to head into grid mode and see what we have available. First, I know that I want all of these designs to be in a different aspect ratio. So I am going to duplicate them, put them in a new row, remove the guidelines, and switch to a different ratio. Zooming in here, I can tell that I'm going to have to make some slight edits to these designs, and my designer will definitely require a review of my edits. Our designs are starting to look great, but we're not done yet. I actually need to translate these to Spanish and Portuguese as well, and to do so, I'm going to head over to bulk create and upload my spreadsheet. Once I have my spreadsheet in, I can start to select the different content on the canvas and map it to our spreadsheet data. And once everything is connected, we can hit create. I've gone ahead and reorganized all of our assets into English, Spanish, and Portuguese rows, and I am ready to send these off for approvals. To start the approval process, I can head to the top right corner and click reviews. From here, I will start a new review, and you'll see I have all of the assets on my canvas listed here. I can choose specific assets I would like to be reviewed or select all. From here, I can add a title and choose who I would like to be reviewing my assets. I can also add a note if I find necessary. Once I hit send, it's going to send a notification off to my reviewer to start the process. Now the designer can hop in and start the review. With each asset, I can approve, request changes, and add a comment. You'll notice as I start to approve these assets, it will bring me to the following one, and I can toggle to the left and right here. If I do find edits I want to make myself, I can also do this in the approval process. For example, maybe I want to scoot all these titles down just a little bit to make it more balanced in our design. If you believe that one of the assets needs to go through another round of revisions, you can always click the request changes. It will then send a notification to the original creator, and they can go make some updates and request another approval process. Once all the assets are reviewed and approved, I can mark it as complete. Now that all of our assets are approved, I'm ready to export them. To do so, I'll head to the top right corner, click export, and then go through one final approval process to make sure everything's looking good. And I think this is perfect, so let's go ahead and export all of these assets to get ready for social. And that's approvals in Figma Buzz. I hope to see you next time.